Imagine walking into a classroom, but there's no teacher, no chalkboard, and no textbooks. Instead, your tutor is an AI that knows your weaknesses better than you do. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how AI might be raising the next generation of geniuses, or robots. The bell rings, not for attendance, but for your personalized lesson plan. Every question, every test, every hint, tailor-made for you. Sounds like science fiction? It's already happening. Artificial intelligence is quietly transforming education, reshaping how we learn, teach, and even think. But is this digital classroom a revolution, or the end of human teaching as we know it? The old school system, built for the past. Before we talk about the future, let's face the truth. Our classrooms are still living in the past. For over a century, education has followed the same formula. One teacher, many students, one-size-fits-all learning. Every student learns differently, yet they're tested the same way. Some race ahead, others get left behind. This method worked when knowledge changed slowly. But in the age of AI, information doubles faster than textbooks can print it. Our education system wasn't built for a world where algorithms can learn faster than students. So the question is no longer if education should change, it's how fast it can adapt. The rise of AI tutors. What if your teacher never got tired, never lost patience, and always knew exactly how to help you understand? AI tutors are stepping in where traditional classrooms fall short. Platforms like ChatGPT, Squirrel AI, and Khanmigo are offering one-on-one 24/7 tutoring, adjusting their teaching style based on each student's progress. Struggling with algebra? The AI slows down and explains differently. Flying through grammar? It jumps ahead. It's like having a private tutor who never takes a coffee break. The result? Students learn faster, retain more, and gain confidence, all without judgment or pressure. AI is turning education from a system into a conversation. The homework hacker. Sometimes AI helps students a little too well. A high school student once asked ChatGPT to help with his history essay. The next day, the teacher called him out. Not because it was bad, but because it was too perfect. She said, "You wrote like a historian with 30 years of experience." He replied, "Thank you, ma'am. I had help from a very intelligent friend. I might be the best tutor ever. But it's also the most suspicious homework partner in history." Personalized learning. The power of adaptation. No two brains are the same, so why should lessons be? AI personalizes learning by analyzing a student's pace, style, and behavior. It can detect whether you learn better through visuals, text, or examples. If you struggle with a concept, it doesn't move on. It adapts, explains again, or gives a simpler path. In traditional classrooms, teachers have to divide attention among 30 or more students. AI can focus entirely on you. Imagine a world where every student, from a child in Pakistan to a teen in France, gets world-class personalized education through an AI interface. That's not a dream anymore. It's a digital revolution in progress. The digital classroom revolution. The blackboard has turned into a screen, and the teacher might be in your pocket. Online education exploded during the pandemic, and AI is now taking it further. Virtual classrooms powered by AI can track facial expressions, detect confusion, and adjust the lecture accordingly. AI-based tools translate languages instantly, making education truly global. A student in Japan can now attend a Harvard lecture in real time with subtitles perfectly translated. AI isn't just teaching subjects. It's breaking barriers of geography, language, and accessibility. For millions of students who once lacked quality education, AI is the teacher they were waiting for. When AI becomes a class clown, even AI has a sense of humor, sometimes by accident. A teacher once tested an AI chatbot in class. She asked it to explain Newton's third law. The AI replied, "For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction." Just like your student's reaction when you announce a surprise test. The class burst out laughing. The teacher didn't. Turns out even AI can deliver a perfect punchline when you least expect it. AI and emotional intelligence. Can an AI really understand how a student feels? That's the challenge. AI can detect patterns, like when a student hesitates or performs poorly, and infer confusion or frustration, but it doesn't feel empathy. Human teachers can inspire, motivate, and emotionally connect. something machines can only mimic. A teacher's encouragement after failure or a smile of approval can mean the world to a child. So while AI can personalize content, only humans can personalize emotion. The best future may not replace teachers, but empower them with AI tools to reach every student more effectively. Bridging educational inequality, AI might do what no government ever could. Give every child equal access to knowledge. Millions of children around the world don't have access to quality teachers or schools. But with AI-powered education, all they need is a smartphone or computer. An AI tutor doesn't care where you live, what you look like, or how much you can pay. It gives the same lessons to everyone. That's revolutionary. A global classroom where every learner is equal. The next Einstein could come from anywhere, because AI doesn't just educate the privileged, it educates the potential. Challenges and concerns. Every revolution has its side effects, and AI in education is no exception. Over-reliance on AI might weaken students' critical thinking. If every answer is one click away, will curiosity fade? There's also the risk of bias. AI learns from data, and if the data is biased, the education might be too. And of course, privacy is a major concern. Student performance data, voice recordings, even camera feedback, all stored somewhere in the cloud. Who owns that information? We're standing at a delicate balance between innovation and intrusion. Teachers and AI, partners, not rivals. The best teachers won't be replaced. They'll be upgraded. AI can handle repetitive tasks like grading papers or generating practice tests. That frees teachers to focus on what they do best, teaching creativity, collaboration, and ethics. In the future, classrooms might work like this. AI handles data and structure. Teachers handle emotion and motivation. Together, they form a hybrid education system. Smarter, faster, and more human than ever before. AI isn't the enemy of teachers. It's the assistant they never had. The classroom of tomorrow. Close your eyes and picture this. The year is 2035. What does school look like? You walk in, scan your ID, and your personal AI greets you. It already knows your learning goals, emotional state, and progress. The walls are digital screens showing live world data. Group projects are assigned by algorithms that match your skills with classmates worldwide. Homework isn't a chore. It's an interactive experience where AI guides you through real-world simulations. Grades? They're replaced by skill maps that update in real time. This isn't fiction. It's the near future of education. Your turn to learn. AI is changing classrooms faster than any invention in history. But the real question is, are we ready to learn from it? So tell me, would you trust an AI to teach your child? Or do you think human teachers should always stay in charge? Comment your thoughts below. I'll be reading every one of them. If this video opened your mind to the future of learning, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Because next, we're exploring, can AI really replace human creativity? Till then, stay curious, stay learning, and remember, in the classroom of the future, the smartest student might not be human, but the one who learns how to work with AI.